I'm Caroline Coates and I'm an HR generalist at LayerZero Power Systems. At LayerZero, people are the foundation of our success. When you join a company, you want a place where you can grow, feel supported, and make an impact. Here you'll be a part of a team that builds mission-critical technology that keeps the world's most important industries running. We know you do your best work when you feel supported, which is why LayerZero provides a benefits package that truly supports you and your family. That includes full medical, dental, and vision coverage for you and your family. We contribute to your health savings account, and you'll receive a $25,000 life insurance policy at no cost with the option to add more. We offer a 401k plan with company match, plus you'll start with 3 weeks of vacation, 10 paid holidays, and 2 floating holidays of your choice. Every month we host events like team lunches, celebrations, and activities that help us connect and build community. Day to day, our culture is built on safety, quality, and innovation. You'll collaborate with industry leaders on technology that powers data centers, manufacturers, and financial systems across the globe. And as LayerZero grows, so do your opportunities. Whether you're just starting out or taking the next step, you'll find room to build your career here. LayerZero Power Systems, where collaboration and innovation create a lasting impact.